In the following demo, I'm going to show the most important features of our energy management platform. So right now, what you're seeing is our initial view, which is the real-time information. You can see how we are capturing very detailed electrical information from advanced meters. This view is intended to capture short-term phenomena, just like transient conditions or different ramps that could happen in the load of the facility. We have also an alert system where we can create custom alerts on a per user basis based on the different points of measurements and based on different thresholds. And you can also see how we have different alerts that are being tracked on real time, which are immediately triggered and shown to the user when triggered. Now we can go to the analytics view. The analytics is meant to show real-time and long-term cost and reliability data. We can recalculate the metrics in real time and refresh the information to reflect the most current information. We also have a forecasting tool which shows the backend model training process of our forecasting models. So here, for example, we have days in advance of solar forecasting for this specific location. We also have our detailed model for load forecasting, which is an essential component of our power management solutions. And then you can see how there's different metrics that are weather related, which are also important and crucial to the training process of generation and consumption. With the Data Explorer, we can track information from days all the way to months. And this allows for more in-depth analysis of patterns in a facility while our energy management platform runs. The user can also see information in detail, for example, here power factor, which is an essential metric to track to not get penalties from the utility. And the user could download the information so they can do their own analysis with that. Now jumping to the asset manager. With the asset manager, the idea is to have a different view that is different from the real time to show information that is asset specific. So this means that we're not only capturing what our metering equipment is capturing, but also information that we can obtain from legacy systems, such as our building management system, which is typically used in HVAC systems like the ones I'm showing here. And also we use this tool as a predictive analytics tool, so the user can also monitor potential failures. Rather it is from weather conditions, external conditions, or internal conditions. Finally, I'm going to show one of our more important tools, which is used also to build the funnel of software to hardware for power management. So in this example, I'm gonna use 3 months of data, and we're gonna use different energy parameters, and this is all gonna depend on the configuration of what the user wants. Right now, this example is only for solar, but we can extend to other renewable sources and battery technologies. We also have advanced metrics that are more specific to the location. So for example, time of use, economic variables like inflation rates and costs. Now I'm gonna run the model and run the detailed calculations, which is essentially gonna use very detailed information, such as the one shown previously on the Data Explorer, and then it's gonna correlate that to future information on energy generation and costs. Okay, so here you can see how we're almost done with the different steps necessary to obtain the economic and financial model, and soon we will show the results. So these are the results. Essentially, we have built a model that leverages our power management solution, which is the Power Block. But with this tool, the proposals tool, we can create custom solutions with our configurations and give a very good estimate of the energy project for the user or for the final consumer. This is very crucial because with this detailed information, we are essentially sizing the right amount of energy assets to optimize for long-term cost. And all of this essentially supports a seamless transition into a more reliable energy system that leverages our power management platform.